This is gonna be the challenge one.
Yeah, we'll see.
I'll probably help lift this one.
Yes.
I think.
Yes.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Good boy, come on. Got it.
That went way better than I thought it would.
Way better.
Oh, here. Let me get. Oh, okay.
What are we doing?
I don't know what we're gonna say.
Oh, that was a picture.
No, we have to do like a little bit.
With a big overall on my
This
face.
is the intro. Like
Yeah,
Ryan just
yeah.
Okay.
This is. But
Oh, you got
I'm
this.
not good at it.
You got it.
Hey, this is Marie at Twisted Bee Minis. I'm here with my friend Tanya and Stephanie. We got Fowler Farms and Eddie Family Farm. We are going to be dyeing Tweedle Dumb, and I am going to be using Opawz. We're going for a candy corn theme, and I hope you guys come along and enjoy. We are blobbing the dye on, and it's not going particularly well, not because of the dye or the pony, just because I have poor cosmetic skills. I'm not good at girl things.
Sounds like Tanya.
Yeah. So, but I can tell you, Irish Spring soap, you rub it on when you're washing them, takes it out pretty well.
No, my.
See, Stephanie's raised two girls, so she,
Yeah, she probably
Raised.
does this really good.
Yeah. Well, is raising.
I know, but I have two girls, and man, Shelby, she can do makeup way better than I can. But
Yeah, I don't do girl things. They go to their aunt's house.
well, we're doing girl things now. We are. Yeah, this is, I guess, it's girly.
That's why I'm behind the camera.
Yes.
Should I do the big blob white or the big blob orange?
Do this orange.
Okay.
The top part. And just.
what do you think, buddy? Give us a smell.
Just know that most horses, you shouldn't do this. Yes, I know.
And it's a little bit better because he is a miniature.
Might not bust all my teeth out.
So we're gonna have to get out a lot of color on this ears.
We put the conditioner on.
Oh, okay. So it'll come out pretty
If
good.
not, you guys will be seeing a bunch of hearts, and you'll know why.
We'll just paint his ears.
Yeah. Why is it cute? Well,
Next time.
You do the ears.
Black ears, like Mickey Mouse.
oh my gosh, they're like Pikachu ears, how they have like the black tip. Oh.
Will it come out?
Yeah.
In 20 washes.
Right.
20 washes.
Sure.
I missed all that.
You did? Oh my god. Yeah.
She did a big old blob. That's not blood. That is, what is it? Flame orange?
Yeah.
So, yeah, this little spot right here. Don't make it worse.
Oh,
Just smeared it in.
Oh, really?
I have boring
Boring fun.
like coloring the.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
You see what she's doing, right, Tanya? Do you know how to do that?
Oh, braiding? Yeah, I think I know.
You don't have any girls, so I just didn't know if you know how to
I
braid hair.
I actually just learned to French braid my own hair. Really? Yeah.
I learned to
I can't do my own.
braid on ponytails.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The tail's better.
Yeah.
And there's not as many colors.
See if he looks candy cornish. I'm gonna grab some conditioner. We are adding conditioner just to make his mane and tail are nice and soft. Get Jack playing with oats.
I was thinking about it, but then I was like, well, we just did the conditioner thing.
You still your hose for a minute. So I'm using some Irish Spring soap. It's easy to use, works pretty well at taking off the color. The orange is the color that I've noticed that stays the best and is the hardest to get off. But we always say if it gets too bad, like we'll just make it into a circle or something like that, like put a circle and match it. We just don't really worry about it.
He's a carrot top.
Carrot Top. Oh yeah. I hadn't seen him for a while. We used to watch him in high school.
Oh, I don't think I've ever watched him. There's a thing called the carrot top. I just got called the carrot
Really?
top with the head.
Did you know he's like a famous comedian?
Oh, I didn't know
Oh,
that.
yeah. Also, they call this
Redhead.
the this snowboarder. They call him Carrot Top too.
I always told,
Sean
Sean White?
Yeah, Sean White.
I always called, or they'd call me carrot top, and I'd always, which I was junior high, but I'd always tell them the top of the carrot's green, not red.
Oh, that's true.
Do it again.
Clean your nose. Just like a normal kid doesn't want their nose clean. Don't clean your nose. Sometimes they like to drink out of the hose. No. Jack's like, just play with the hose. Getting him all purty. And you got eye boogers. Ooh. Does that gross you out, really? Oh. Now, if that was like a person.
I'm opposite. I'm like, I'll do a kid.
Oh, really? No way.
Mm.
Like a booger is my kryptonite. Ooh, his tail turned out pretty. I really like these brushes. I got it from Tractor Supply today. So pretty. Pony Lovin's. Is that good, Pony Lovin's? Tweedle Dee's tied up. Tweedle Dumbs just running around the yard. He's the cutest little ponies. On Jack. Jack's like, I'm so jealous that you're talking to them. Snoopy's like, I don't care. Grass. This is my friend Mike. We met a couple years ago now.
Yeah, through Brandon.
Yeah, through Brandon. He's behind the camera.
Oh yeah, Brandon's behind the camera.
Yeah, Eddie Family Farm. And we were Tanya and I were visiting, and she has a granddaughter that she is actually bringing home right now.
Yes.
And we were visiting, and I feel like he would be a really good pony. for her. I can't wait for your granddaughter to get to play with this pony and y'all.
Yeah, me and Tanya are both excited as well.
Yes.
We can't wait to get him home. Ever since we saw the one that you brought to the, what was it,
Expo?
Southern Oklahoma?
Yeah, the meetup.
Yeah, the meetup.
Yes.
Tanya's been wanting one ever since.
They're
So it's, this is like a incredible gift. Thank you very, very much.
Yes.
We appreciate it. And
Yeah.
I know little Rai is going to love it.
I can't wait. Yeah, and I think Tanya's gonna have a lot of fun, and we'll have to do his hair again.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
This is something we can
It'd be for
grow
fun.
with. We can keep doing videos with it.
Yeah, it'd be fun. He's a candy corn, if y'all need to know.
Oh, yeah. This was Halloween, Thanksgiving
Halloween
candy
themed.
corn. Oh,
Yes,
I
candy.
forgot.
But hey,
I'm
he's-
approaching too quick.
We're working on. They also get a gift horse that you don't look in the mouth, that you have to teach people skills. So
Yeah, me.
good luck. So, but we'll get him loaded up, and then there's Tweedle D as well is headed up with you.
Yeah, we're actually taking 2.
Yeah,
The other one we're sending back here in a couple months, but
yeah. Well, they moved up the auction, so it'll be like a month.
okay, a
Yeah.
month. Okay.
Yeah. So no pressure. Make sure you get them friendly in time.
Within a month. We got a month.
We'll see how it goes.
All right, we're going to load them up in the trailer real quick, and then we'll talk to you some more here in a minute.
All right. Sounds good. Oh, they've never been in a trailer, so we'll
this might
see
be a
how
challenge.
this goes.
Should I put one in the front and one in the back?
This is a goat trailer, so it's a little taller, but they'll make it. Hold this one.
Yeah, so this is my goat trailer, but they should be
It's
fine in
pretty
here as
slick.
long as they can get
Yeah.
in. All right, come on, buddy, you can do it. Let's go, Tweedle Dumbs. There you go.
Good boy.
Good job, buddy. Come on. Oh. There you go.
Baby.
It's like, I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah. He's like, I don't know how to get in these things.
She's just gonna want to tie him up real quick just so we can shut the gate.
He says,
Oh, he already left his markings.
this makes me nervous. It deserves a poop. Yes. Oh, here, I'll let you check that. That way. And this one's not going to go well.
That one.
Yeah.
All right, come on. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. A little more, buddy. There you go. Get this cotter pin up here real quick.
Oh, you're good. It's crazy, though, just like a little bit of handling, how they calm right down. Watch him be the exception to the rule.
All right, one down, one to go.
Yeah.
This is gonna be the challenge one.
Yeah, we'll see
I'll
how
probably
it
help
goes.
lift this one. I think.
Yes.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Good boy, come on. Got it.
That went way better than I thought it would.
Way better.
Yeah. You want to grab the gate so when I let off, you can have the opportunity to hit the gate so it fall off.
Maybe we should just take Marie with us.
Yeah. I don't know. William might pay you to take me. Hey, I can easily be bribed with snacks and plants and animals.
And irises.
Yeah.
All right, well, Marie, we thank you so much for
Yes.
this.
I hope you enjoy.
Yeah, this is going to be
And
awesome.
It's two-way street. He's making the other pony friendly for me.
Hopefully.
and hopefully.
It's going to be a challenge, but I think,
knock on some wood.
I think a little treats
Yes.
will come in handy.
And also giving Tweedledum a really good home.
Yep.